Sentence.
A sentence is a group of words used to communicate a complete thought. Every sentence consists of two parts. In the first part, we name some person or thing. In the second part, something is said about that person or thing. The first part is called the subject. The second part is called the predicate. See the following sentences. The sun sets. Ram is playing. A cat chases the rat. In these sentences, the words the sun, Ram, a cat are all the names of some person or thing. So it is the subject. The words sets, playing, chases the rat, all these talk about the subject. So it is the predicate. The subject of a sentence usually comes first, but in some sentences it comes later. Go to the temple every day.
In this sentence, the temple every day is the subject and go to is the predicate.
Good. Now find the subject and predicate in the following sentences. A ship went out to sea.
A ship is the subject. Went out to sea is the predicate.
Correct. The earth moves round the sun.
Subject is the earth. Predicate is moves round the sun.
Don't make a noise.
Subject is a noise and the predicate is don't make.
Forgive me, Father. The subject in this sentence comes later. Father is the subject. The predicate is forgive me. A hermit lives in the jungle.
A hermit is the subject. Lives in the jungle is the predicate.
Kolkata is a big city.
Kolkata is the subject and is a big city is the predicate.
Well done. You have learnt easily.
You're right. 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 You're right.
Auxiliary verb. Words like am, is, are, was, were, has, have, had are called auxiliary verbs. These are used with ordinary verbs to make tenses, passive forms, questions, and negatives. He is writing. Boys are playing. I am walking. Note that the auxiliary verb am will come only with I. the words is, was, am, and has are singular auxiliary verbs. The words are, were, and have are plural auxiliary verbs. Is, am, are, has, and have are present tenses. Was, were, and had are past tenses. A verb must agree with its subject in number and person. The aeroplane is flying high. The birds are flying high. In the first sentence, the subject aeroplane is singular. So the auxiliary verb used is also singular. In the second sentence, birds is the subject and it is plural. So the auxiliary verb are is used. It is now 9:45. How many days are there in a week? My friend's father is a doctor. Preeti was the topper in the class. You are a student. You were driving when I called. It is important to know that although are and were are plural auxiliary verbs, it will come with you, the second person singular. Our school has a big playground. Many children have bad teeth. The farmer has 2 cows and 4 oxen.
In this sentence, cows is plural. How can we use has?
You have to see that the subject in the sentence, farmer is the subject and it is a singular.
Now I understand.
Make some sentences with auxiliary verb.
Meera is singing while Pinky is dancing. You are standing in front of the class.